Alright, y'all, what's up, man? Today is another episode of Keeping Up with the Joneses, and today we are heading to Bolivar Peninsula to go to the beach with our kids and, you know, have a beach day. It's a beautiful day outside, and, you know, the beach is our second home. We got married out there in Bolivar, and we enjoy going any chance we can get. So we will cross the ferry. I'll get some shots of the ferry, maybe see a dolphin or two, and set up our little beach site. And, you know, enjoy this extra windy day. I'm mad I don't have my kite anymore, because this would have been a perfect day to fly that joint. But we'll see y'all in a second. All right, man, we are in line waiting for the ferry. Everybody's loaded in. You can see kids in the back. They watching a little movie right now. This is the ferry line we going to right here. This one's the ferry work. I'll tell you where to go. You just hop in line and jump on a boat. The wait was a little longer than expected, I must say, man. Like, we waited in line probably about 40 minutes, I think, before we got to this spot. And then from here it might be another 20, 25 minutes. So yeah, man, we just, you know, about to get ready to cross. Everybody's getting up. My daughter's been complaining the entire time. I mean, it's too cold outside. It's too hot outside. I think I'm about to get sunburned. And sometimes you be like, you just wish you kept the kids at home. But this is what we doing for them, so I ain't gonna be a mean dad. But we'll see y'all when we get on the boat, man. Alright, man, we on the ferry. Spot a couple of dolphins, but I'm not sure if we're gonna get any today. We might, though. You know, it's worth a look, though. The water is more browner than usual. It's usually like a green color. It's brown today. And yeah, man, it's free. You come up here, you park your car on the boat. Come on, let's go to the back. Look at the back. Park your car on the boat, man, for free. You can ride across anytime you want to if you're in Houston. Just ride on the Galveston, jump on the ferry. Bring your kids to come see some dolphins, get a little free boat ride. People out here feeding the birds and stuff. There goes a battleship over there. That's also a park you can go to. I forgot the name of it. It's Sea Something Park. What's the name of that park? Sea Breeze Park? I don't know. Seascape Park? I don't know. It's goddamn flying rats, man. Pushing out. Scared? Don't be scared. Don't be scared, man. Be scared. Come on. Huh? All right. Gonna look at the park. See people over there and stuff, man. People out there enjoying their little. You remember that park? Remember we went to that park? Come on. Yeah. out there, man. That wasn't always out there. No, we're not going to that park today. Come on, man. Let's go back to the other side. Right now, man.
Are they sleeping?
It might be sleeping. Alright, y'all, man. I'm gonna holler at y'all when we get set up and to our spots. We got a little beach we pull up to and let you pull the cars up like right on the water. So I'll get y'all a good view of that in a little while. Check in on y'all in a little bit. It's like Europe on that joint. I don't know where he going. See that shit? Ain't no telling what's on there. Oh. Might get a little rocky right here. Alright, man, so this is what the beach looks like. And packed sand. If y'all don't know, man, we got stuck earlier. We tried to go to another beach that we don't normally go to and got stuck like a mofo inside of some sand, man, and it was horrible. Like, we never have problems at this beach we go to over here. As long as you stay away from the backside over there, you're good. But yeah, man, everybody out here, they posted up. You can get right up on the water, man. It's the beauty of coming on this side. Get right up on the water. Everybody got their grilling boots and amazing. You know, it's like for days out here. 4 days. We're gonna park where we want to park. My daughter is really driving my nerves.
Hey, what kind of food are they?
I have no idea. I'm so ready to like tell one into that. Look a little smooth right up here. Let's just drive all the way down and come back and make sure. Catch that white bird.
Oh my god, that's another hole. Is that the same hole that's
Oh, yeah. Well, you trying to start with this? Yeah?
I'm trying to figure out how to back up.
I'll let you know. I know you gonna start fucking around with the sand. Just leave it there. was pushing your car earlier? Alright, we here, man. We here. Took us a long time to get here, but we made it. We parked. The water's right there. It's coming up a little bit, but we're gonna get as close to the water as we can, you know. I ain't tripping. At all, man. Probably gonna see some stuff out here. Might find a picture. Boy. Alright, y'all. We out here, man. About to start this, about to unpack, set up. Alright. It's the setup. Layout. I wanted to put the little third one on the side. She said that was excessive. I know you probably can't hear me. This wind is flipping out here. I'm trying to keep it as close as I can. Thanks Susan for the free chair. My wife's aunt gave us 2 of these. So we eating on crackers, salami and cheese. And little sandwiches for them.
No, don't put it in the car. Put it on the dirt.
It's dead?
No.
And they over there just stepping in the sand. Correct. Yep. That's the setup, man. We'll climb back in the seat and look at the ocean. Alright, man. We heading back. Got a good trip. It's cold. He cold. Cold? He cold. But we heading back on the ferry, man. Go to the other side. Come on, go to the other side. Come on. Yeah, man. The trip was cool. Trying to see some dolphins. I don't know if the dolphins be out here when the water is choppy, man. Turning out now. Splashing up, ain't it? It's cold. It's cold, ain't it? The sun's going down, man.
Yeah, but it's cool.
Right. Man. All right, man. I'll catch y'all later. Man, it's a beautiful sunset. About to get ready to happen in a second. We ain't gonna see it this time, but we usually do. Didn't see the dolphins. A bunch of penguins out there. I'll go to the front. Look at the front. Come on. Because we riding and the waves is hitting and it's splashing on the car. Come on, get in the car. Candy, get in the car right here, man. That's too much water.